One day, a man was standing on a road and he observed that rain is falling from his backside. So he thought to himself, we the human beings are superpowers and a non-living thing, rain, how can chase me? If I will start running with high speed, then I might be escaped from this rain. So he started running in the direction, and alas, so that as he is running with more speed, saying, I am increasing my speed and challenging to the rain. At the same time, rain also challenged him by saying, you stupid human being, more you will increase your speed, more I will increase my speed and change my direction, and every moment you will see in front of me. Hence, from this, what do we learn? This physics random problem teaches us that sometimes we are bound with ego. That means we challenge some things without understanding its real things. And what happens? And we face the illusion and we cannot solve that illusion. It also teaches us that we should not be away from the danger. That means we should not be frightened at the danger. We will try our best like a hero to face the challenge so that we may be escaped. That means if we will increase our speed in the opposite direction what we have taken earlier, that means we will face the rain, then rain may not be seen at our eye, and we will have a positive mind, and we will have no fear as if rain is behind us. But if you will be frightened, that means just like a coward, we will started running backward. Then we will face the problem more and more.